guys, so today I wanted to teach you all how to make this fun balloon heart. It is perfect for Valentine's Day, for a kid's party, or if you just love Valentine's Day and want a big balloon heart in your living room. It was super affordable. It only required a few things. I know there are a few different ways to go about making this. I've done it differently in the past whenever it comes to balloon garlands for arches or to put above a doorway or over a mantle. But since this time I was creating a heart, I wanted to have a little bit more structure, so I used wire. It's super easy, it's super fast. I made it in one episode of The Bachelor, so you have plenty of time to go out and get all the materials you need and have it up and hung for Valentine's Day next week. So I'm going to teach you how to do this same one on a smaller scale so you can see step by step exactly how I did it. Okay, so now I'm going to go over everything that we need. First thing is going to be wire. I got this galvanized wire at my local hardware store. They have the same thing, a little bit thicker. If you're looking to maybe hang this from the ceiling instead of having it flat against a wall, which I feel helps keep the shape. Next thing you're gonna need is balloons. I bought 6 different colors in 5 inches. I highly recommend you get this guy right here because with the smaller balloons, especially the ones that are 5 inches, it is almost impossible to blow them up with your mouth. So don't even try and waste your time. I would definitely get one of these. The next thing you're gonna need is, this is balloon decorating strip. I got this off Amazon. I think they actually sell it at party supply stores, but it's gonna be a long piece of plastic. I don't know if you can see, but there are 2 different size holes that are like in a hole punch. So you just thread the balloon right through this hole, and then you just go back and forth. This first one, I thread this way. The next one I'm gonna thread up through this way. With the smaller balloons, you can stick one in every single hole, but as the balloons get bigger, I normally do every other hole because otherwise they're just way too tight together. And one thing is, you don't wanna be worried about there being holes or it being patchy as you're going along, because you can always, after it's done, just fill in balloons. Like if there's a hole there, just tuck that right there. You're going to need wire cutters to cut the wire. So first you are going to take your wire and figure out about how big you want your heart to be. And then you're going to cut your wire. And I kind of twisted this around to make a circle. And then you're going to kind of bend it into your heart shape, which can be a little bit difficult. I actually used the ground and I taped piece by piece onto the ground until I got the heart to be the exact shape I wanted. You can twist the bottom so it holds better, but say this is my heart shape. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get your balloon strip and just start threading in all of the balloons in alternating directions. So if you can see, I put the white one in that way, and then the coral one went in that way, and then purple, pink, coral, just back and forth, back and forth. And I would do about 6 at a time, and then I would attach it to my wire and loop it around. So you can see the heart. I have this wire kind of sticking out, so I left a hole at the top of the balloon strip and just threaded through there. And after I attached about 6 balloons, then I would just wrap it around, and then I would attach about 6 more balloons and wrap it around. You can also just attach them all at once and start wrapping it around, but depending on how big your heart is, it might be a little difficult. So I just did it 6 at a time, wrapped it around, added 6 more balloons, wrapped it around, and kept going and going and going until the entire thing is full of balloons and you have something that looks like this. Don't worry if it looks a little spotty or sparse, because once it's up there, you can always attach smaller balloons into the big balloon heart. You can use small glue dots to attach to this balloon and make it stick in between there, or you can just stick it in there and hope it sticks like I did. You can also add flowers or greenery if you want. I added magnolia flowers and eucalyptus. Okay, so I think that was everything. I hope everybody has a happy Valentine's Day.